The future of every industry is being reshaped by artificial intelligence. Whether you are in IT, engineering, finance, business, manufacturing, or any other profession, AI is becoming an essential skill and not an option. The question is, are you ready for the future? The executive program in Advanced AI and Machine Learning is designed exclusively for working professionals and aspiring AI practitioners who want to build industry-relevant AI expertise without interrupting their careers. Offered by ICT Academy of Kerala in collaboration with the IIT Palakkad Technology IHub Foundation, this executive program equips you with the practical AI skills demanded by today's rapidly evolving industries. The 6-month hybrid program combines the flexibility of live weekend online classes with an immersive 1-week campus experience at IIT Palakkad, where participants gain hands-on exposure to edge computing, interact with experts, and experience a world-class innovation ecosystem. With 550 hours of comprehensive learning, industry-oriented projects, expert mentorship, LinkedIn Learning Premium, career mentoring, and placement support, you will gain the knowledge and confidence to lead AI-driven transformation in your organization. Now it's your turn. Admissions are open now for the upcoming batch of the executive program in Advanced AI and Machine Learning. For more details, contact now.